Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to successfully install Zotero on your computer. First step is to go to zotero.org. You'll be able to install Zotero on Mac, Windows, Linux, and also on iPhone. Go ahead and click the download button, which will bring you to this page here. There's going to be several steps to this, first of which is going to be to download the program itself. Go ahead and save the file to your computer, and while that's downloading, you're going to be also installing a browser plugin. There is a Chrome extension, but no matter which browser you're using, there is a browser plugin available. I'm actually using Opera, so if you're using a browser that's not listed, for example, Opera in my case, I use the Chrome extension, so I'll go ahead and click that. I already have mine installed, but I'd be using this. I want to make changes, and then keep clicking continue all the way through the installation process. When it's done, you will have something that looks like this. This is the Zotero window. On the browser page, you will have this page here. It's a note page that will let you know that you installed the browser extension correctly. Now, one setting that I'd like you to install on your Zotero is to go to General, scroll down, and go to the Locate setting, go to North America, scroll all the way down to United States, and find the University of Arkansas Little Rock, and select that. And that will bring up our library, and have that selected. You can go ahead and X out of that, and I'll go ahead and I'll cover that in a later video. But go ahead and have that selected. And that'll go ahead and that'll cover everything that I want to cover in this video, and thank you.